you're doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody, do what you're doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Everybody, do what you're doing. Your smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody, do what you're doing. Your smile will bring a sunshiny day.
Everybody, do what you're doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Akoma Radio.
Everybody, do what you're doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Akoma Kapim. Akoma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1. Akoma Radio 97.1.
What you doing? Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody,
yes.
Do what you doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Yes. It's 3:09. And today happened to be the 5th day in the month of April 2022. This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Yes, another Tuesday afternoon. And trust me, today the show is fully packed. And now you might be no near my baby, and I made a bit of so. Catch your binobisun, Sampa. The Airways Commander, the boss of the bosses, and Anna Kwame Perry Matanasi. And Memon, you know, catch you in me. Mammy Mama, the Enchecha taxi driver, trotro driver. Obi Pierre Assembly will take us a video one from Socra. It's on the same year, 10 years, and then we didn't know, bro. A Quabrani Abna for that. Mima Munina Aquabo.
Welcome. Where's alone? Aquaba. On la rive. Welcome. Where's alone? Aquaba. On Ari.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. And 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Kumaini, Jenny, the Kramuche.
Masia meeting and Yema, the Yentue. Say, Yama, and Yema, the Yentue. Yes, Mojo, and Untimeto, Jumadanasi. Mechanic Gachirama, Sayo. Say, Yama. Yes, my George, and Untimeto, Madana, see, Imetu, Mechanic, Rama, sign. Say, Yama, and Yama, yes, my George,
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Hallelujah.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
Our sing is praise. It's worthy.
Akoma Radio.
Masia meeting and Yema, Yesu Mojo, enunti meto jumata nasi ekani do nyina tira mansai say yeah amaye nenye mawodino yesu mojo bie enunti meto jumata metina no pewi enyumra na juo yeah say amaye nenye mawodino yesu mojo bie Onopa, Eria, and you read Anatu. Yeah. Atira Masai. Yeah, my and my woman. Yes, you mojo. It's in it,
We are blazing.
it's in Quantia Mania, yo. Minyo Bonsama forward, yo. Missing out to my mania. Miss Anita Mania. Au enunti meto jumadana si imeka mi jumanu nenye mawodino yesu mojo metu na no peri enyuma na juo ampara yi amaye nenye mawodino yesu mojo missing in shura menye ya
Okuma Radio 97.1.
And you mammy no bibi samise. Missy na wapuawa. Messi ni se ayemira yesu na dumuntia. Maduma umi mama na mayemi se yo. Yebi. Onya mi donima.
Okuma Radio.
Ejo nyami tonimo na oyi won firi won haumu yemtwe mira wa baba meni da sunina sanno ewo wa beje se empwa jitu mi biwo mira wa baba noa meni da sunina sanno ewo wa
We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hallelujah.
Okuma Radio, yes, baby. We are blazing.
I have joy in my heart, deep down in my heart.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
We are happy tonight. Jesus has given us a joy. Everlasting joy. Glory. Smile to the glory of God.
Afropon Kapim. Okuma Radio 97.1.
No man can destroy. Joy, 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 joy. Yeah, deep down in my heart. Oh, because Jesus gave to me, and no one can destroy it. I have joy in my heart. Deep down. Sickness cannot destroy, problem cannot destroy, barrenness cannot destroy, poverty cannot destroy, barrenness cannot destroy, problem cannot destroy, barrenness cannot destroy. Oh, because Jesus gave to me, and no one can destroy it. I have joy in my heart, deep, deep down in my heart. Oh, because Jesus gave to me. No one can destroy. And no one can destroy. Joy, 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 joy. In my heart. Deep down in my heart. Problem cannot destroy. Problem cannot destroy. Poverty cannot destroy. Barrenness cannot destroy. Poverty cannot destroy. Problem cannot destroy. Joy, 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 joy. Happy tonight.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Wachamele ye mana, yangale nonya meboi. Abolo ni chengwe ni bane kuni wa ye kuni wa ishi. Moni abolo le eba ishi ke ya na no. Wachamele ye mana, yangale nonya meboi. Abolo ni chengwe ni bane kuni wa ye kuni wa ishi. Moni abolo le eba ishi ke ya na no. Abolo, wala bolo ti Yesu. Got it. Abolo, wala bolo ti Yesu. Show it. Wachamele ye mana, yangale noni amegboyi. Abolo ni jengwe ni bane kuni wa ye kuni wa ishi. Moni abolo le eba ishi ke ya na no. Wachamele ye mana, yangale noni amegboyi. Abolo ni jengwe ni bane kuni wa ye kuni wa ishi. Moni abolo le eba ishi ke ya na no. Moni abolo le eba ishi ke ya na da da da. Ego eba ishi ke ya na no. Hey, awo mengo mi.
Nyamie. Chami. Ah, mami ezewe. Ina yemi balegi. Mommy. Iga ezu balegi. Asidia, mami ezewe. Ina yemi balegi. Mami yo. Iga ezu balegi. Hakra na ya medano. Obate mommy. Ow, mommy, mommy. Oh, mommy, Mommy, yes, mommy. Yeah, mommy, oh. Na mirror akwanga samre. Ewurade Adama. Womama die baba. Chencheche. Edi yakodu baby asamre. Osha yeboso di yebedua. Mommy. Anka na handkerchief kura so asasi ye use towel. God is about to do greater things in our life. Ewurade baya enioma kase wo yabrabom. Now you forget about the beginning. Washasi betimi ya kitwa bi. But we ye ni betimi ya kakra. I know what I'm telling you. Me say washasi no ebetimi ya kitwa bi ase ba wa wie ye ni betimi ya kakra oboropa we tatarata enti enne baby awo bia enne ni awuye bia asemi ena samre mi di betufo na ubomodin etiem asopamu amame yenyiye but nia abraba treye no I think sir sanka bebre enya ne ntam to say sane yemu bi yenya na anka mistakes bi omanye anything ada me catch us say life is about journey. Life itself is a journey. Ayen kakra esri kakra wom ube muna kakra akuma kakra baba enije kakra baba yroho kakra baba ni nyina no ye kabom efra no life life enti ene emra so sha me bomodin ya show nkran ewo baby awo bia no kware mi se musa momana ni yankwa awrade fi. I was glad when they said unto me, let us go into the house of the Lord. Ati asifo Nyankopon ehuna bobiri nyame kan tamantu Nyankopon asamiri wadani kokromoti agenti binsa nwomopo ocha so nyame a wochama ne so obi aso awampamu je na Nyankopon asamiri wadani samire pampa studio a wosen wo fafotenten otonyoku otonyodo Nyankopon Joseph Nyankopon Isaac Nyankopon Abraham Nyankopon Shadrach Meshach ni Abednego Nyankopon ohine mohine the omnipresent God, omnipotent God, L-O-E, ebi from Yahweh, mimi from miara. Ewi abrebejo wasida. Ajapa bejo wana siasa ni ya safate sana sa wana na sifatao. Ewrade akuma biye din wabonti enne. Akuma biya samre ayro wasana akuma muma. Akuma biya sabre onya obenuma wudro de akuno ho akuma biya sabre watobaha akuma biya sabre wanye nuhu ade amane kra Ewurade medin kransa samobrani masa akuma ni nyani daso esane sa wona wubọ kwantu babia kwani na ne obofu okowura mu ko huni nyina na oba fie beka mama Ewurade mi nyehio so bi hu kwai kro bekwa akofa no no wakoye bibi enti awiabre akoma nyina mrafam awiabre akoma bia ayeten akoma bia samre ayro ho sharema akoma bia samre anye ayenu ho akoma bia samre na dida so asa akoma bia samre ofise Nyankopon panachi sa akoma ni nya abotre na Ewurade bekasa Samre wo Bible wo ho a ana okuta mobile phone na Bible e wo so a ene de yase modern wo technology nti enwo hiase ye bekukuri Bible aso a Bible no wo your phone so ahodo so Bo Bible no ko James chapter 4 verses 6 to 10 James chapter 4 verses 6 to 10 and I read but he gives more grace. Therefore, he says, opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. Submit yourself, therefore, to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. As one thing I may know, what kind in the book of James, chapter 4, verses 6 to 10. I say, but he gives more grace. Therefore, he says, God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. Submit yourself, therefore, to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. And we are not many adolfo asabre mutie kasafidia we abre. Enya se bia ya no munsabi ni abodam. Enya se bia ya kwatwe bibi agu yemu na ama sabre ye kasa keke. Enya se sabre bibi na esi yeso ni ye kasa. Nemo eye wurade adom. Ene ehu bi pen. Ene sabre ni ewurade ni kire no ka kire ye no. Ene ti na wi abre bia metena sese ya. Mesre ewurade sani ameka bia nka akoma. Na momodi an sha akoma bia den. Ni anani da so asa. Ni asamre ayro wo hye na akoma mu ma. Ewurade bomodi an twitwanye no. Na enne I am talking about being proud or being rude, or sometimes those who doesn't humble themselves. Ahomaso. Being pompous in life. And a shame that it can bring to you. And the muguasia humbra ahomaso ebetimidia brawa brabo. Anything I'm saying, can James chapter 4 verses 6 to 10. But he gives more grace. Therefore he says, God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. And we are somebody done in a chi at the church, somebody Yanuma Yahumbras, Yahumaso. Na Yanuma somebody one who brasiano, and we are the Bomodian Shromo. Sha Abuja, and we are very well. What ben Yanuma somebody Omabomodian D. Yanuma somebody Yagusu D. Ah, somebody if you radia, Shama ho brasia saniete, they are down to earth. Anything I'm paying is a hene pankasa. Ankura hunu ene yedede. Etia we abre so be tiemi asopamu a. Once upon a time, abrantie bi ba asopa. Oba asopa papa mena. Onfa nipa anya hwe. Onfa nipa anya kwaku kwete. Ohawo suru beka mfam. Na eba sempa ebo okoso. Ano se Ewurade. Me dia se me nya eboni bia e. Ewurade se wo hwem a. Sabe ehiafo sere ne ma momo. Omo bisa me kura me dumo mu bi. Ewurade. Me dia me nya odubonye ni o. Me ntise me nua yi ogina me nchen ya sere bone fache yi. Na tie ni Ewurade ka kire no. Ewurade ka kire ne se samre wa ho maso nti. Eneme jo kra fi wonsam. Hwa empem bebere wo hu. Nyakopon tumo bibiribi. Ahomaso. Se Nyakopon abomodin adum obi position bi. Nyakopon abomodin adum obi ka bi. Nyakopon adum obi adwuma pa bi. Nyakopon tasa area ho fo obi anya hwe. But eneme kasem ya kiro. Se wo kosoro ye no ma hu omo abra wo kosoro no. Se wo sani they will be the same people you meet them. And penguin for say treat the towel. Every part of the towel wall. So ni ni asoso. Esa na say towel ni ni ade be pepa sabio wachi. Oton. Ebia na akoti bibi. Na so wan hwe. Hwa awiabrei se wo ya homaso Awurade ma wo akoma embra fam. Omo unsua ne ye frɛ na hobrase. Enkrofo bebre adwumasem ayebasa Enkofo bebre samre oma waresem ayebasa obama no so bema ma no so enti aware na kasa ntimi nya adwuma esan so obi ehu no ho enkofo bebre samre oma relationship ajuja oba ne hu no na bema no so hu no ho enti nya adwuma where you don't need the pastor to tell you it's about life. Enkofo bebre samre ameno kasai omu kofi omu su omu tinisuo esane niema bi asamre omu ye wabontinti na ne ename kache wa wiabre no se ahobrahye ewie nkunimdi ahobrahye ede yedie na eba ahobrahye de nkoso na ebere nipa brabom esane se empem bebre. When you take thousands of rich people in this world, ubo will say 80% are down to earth. Enkaifo no. Even no yes by chance. But we are brave so be chemi asopemu ahwe. Abrantie bi once upon a time ko hwe obi woni fie. Na ko ese nipa no ye watchman e wo fie honom no. Ono na fie ni mpo ye ne dia. Meka so ye watchman na ko ye ono no bie no. That they not in Abrantia Baduma bre, etotini security post war, Green Hukom, not so be Bopo Donzi, Okobiena, Obisansa or Master or Nakasa in Sambre in Sabenkum. I'll dibisana Samunocrano. Sir Master now run on one at security post war, or be Perduma. Neduma no crownya, Umu security. Now nya adwumani wi a ane ya wode yasane ya wumfo obi anya hwe empanifo bebre minimum wo ba kokura no gbakase ni bi ebosi utakase ehyehu sakase sin adwuma wura nom wo ba kono mosumo ma badwa sha omo shots me former boss me chiapa Mr. Wiafe se akacho so ne adwuma wura ba den na wonyini Obakona papa ya hwene so so pa butu ne ka so wo ba obese ne ho down to earth. Ewi abre mamen kasem de bi nchiro ahomaso de anim guase na eba ahomaso de nkuguo na eba ahomaso e de osai na eba afofora kwam. Oh, Adami ame paucho. Oh, Abigail, man shada. And sorry. Oh, Donzi, what's it the man can ye facha me? For you to see the flag of success is about humility. For you to be successful in this life is about humility. For your marriage to succeed is about humility. For your relationship to work out to marriage, it's about humility. For your work to progress or to succeed, it's about humility. So what you be tumpo e ya hobrasie. So what warrior be jina e ya hobrasie. So relationship awom ebetimi alidu akwa warrior e ya hobrasie. Bebe bia ni wonu mo po bo beka oka ba ko anu aka mienu. Bebe bia ni ho. Osoro abofo kura odi ni begina ho na yo ba na aka mienu pe ne bubefu. So learn how you be humble. Na okura enye bibia sanka manwao. Enye bibia na uyo obi esese me no tena. Uyo obi esese me mpo me waro. Uyo obi esese me no mpo twempena. Krachi ube kwa kwa baby. Ababa kwa baby. Ewi abre isa ube tiemi asopam. Na wa bra wo ase e de atwen awurade animu a migidie kakra mi wo Methodist asafonim ewo awurade Yesu Kristo a yesom ni mum migidie ni se sa ho brase no nya de wo bedu akire sa ho brase de wo behu ni yense se wo hu sa ho brase no de wo bedum pempenso bi ankrofo bebisa se na kwame no onie na Abigail no onie na Odami no onie Okore no onie Donzi no onie the boy no nie. I look at people and I ask myself so many questions. I'm saying, me expect so you tinting gram you and I no any. Me any kapopoy. To God be the glory for the great things that He has done and the greater things He is about to do. Erade no mo baby awo. Erade shira baby awo. Erade ma unya osoro ahobrahye. Ewo wadwumam, wawariam, anamontuo bi awu tubiam. No for we see baby awa so oboso do bedu.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Afropoma Kapim on Kuma Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing.
And time check in our studios at Zali 40 after 3. And now you're Zali the 5th day in the month of April 2022. Once again, you're from and I'm Perry. Uber to be from the finest, the member you know catch you in me. Me mama the faster that song. And for mommy production team. Ably led by executive producer Mr. Kofi Ansoba for KB. And for Victor Hineda Colisto. Ahinewa Ekufu Abigail, aka Miss Ekufu. Afinana Otamia Betty, aka Betty Boom Boom. Afi DJ Donzi, DJ Zigibi. Abunyina Tamechi. And I'm a sumo macro Ghana Sambri or Sumpay. Mamina Yankopo Anshe. So Abomadia dear Adumia Tomoyen. Abomadia Mayankwa. Ami Abomadia Huende. Yetiasi me urade. Ye wunsua ye wume urade. This and more coming up on the show. 41 after 3. And it's the Cephas Drive. Akwaba Drive. On Akoma 97.1 radio. Mami cha taxi drivers in our teachers in Hey, I'm a teacher for most time. Beji esikebu. Some over my next week. You must not defuse for fro. Erade beye. Ibe Yesu Christo. Oh demie ekaminya ekamima. Ile no nife Yesu Christo. Emami ekaminya ekamima. Mommy, Ekamiya, Ekamimba, oh. Mommy, Ekamiya, Ekamimba, oh. Nani fe Yesu Christo. Mommy, Ekamiya, Ekamimba. Abusuan chama sasa mensano. Nema bomadi ama wakwa basroko. And Obakaya me catch us me were breaking news be the mount. But I know producer so mano. Almost so mano pa by Nadia Makaja almost say, "Oh my damn jam." Apostle baby, you did you say me jamu. And to stay tuned. I have a lot to tell you on the show. But once again, me do biara say, Obi biara me bo kuma one way or the other I've been motivated, whether small or big, through your calls, your text messages. Achadia, and then you can come baby nyami shira mu nyina. But news here me baby ki mon fanche me. Ebetimi aye asem de, ebetimi aye wayro ho. Media me hu say aye asem de. From where I sit, Erade no more ate. Erade come home. This is how I start my evening. It's only 43 after 3, and it is what it is on radio. Radio just got better. Your 2 hours, 30 minutes with me. It's my duty to make sure I keep you informed, entertained, then also educate you. Welcome.
Akropon Kapim on Kuma Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya or Kuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Kuma Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya or Kuma Radio 97.1. Hey. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. My radio. Media Man Kenya or Kuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Kuma Radio 97.1. Kuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Kuma Radio
Within the Equia Castro, no Mandela Market, a one of me watching Castro Baco no size, or come out for my yard, papa, me film, or come out for my monkey, the woo, or come out for my Jenina, Mumonio, Yamma Jumapa, and then the palm of the album, and you, yes, you could have sing.
Me Adelaide Dubu, me war Parliament Sports. Mene Okuman Radio Training. Me wireless the piano pro yo and the phone Okuman. It is somewhere with your community na so yeah deal bo me body them pa damase.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ije so many sour na this opposite. Ila no feno ke station for Okuma Radio. Aga lejole aga wo lumba. Fine no feno ke station for lejono wa no la fine.
Abraham Manekase, Mommy's joint back up. A man for a kufu room, or command reggie. Oh, my champion, or command from my bank and you. Can you cry? Must say that, yeah. Minimum rock cry, no poor, you are not true. There's who be a little when it's size was.
Radio 97.1. Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ayame Adelaide Buo me wo Parliament Sports me Okuma Radio nhwani me wireless de bia no po ewio anodo phone e do Okuma ntimisire mo amuti Okuma nyina so bia di ho ne body sempa ndamase
Okuma Radio.
Assalamu alaikum Okuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon faux frère Miyaro. Unti Okuma Radio da.
Atamfu mo shire oda kwa mama nyame opami sahiye juwanio
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Imine kajinone ije so manya sawe na disa opposite ilale no feno ke station for Okuma Radio aka lejole aha wo lumba fine for no feno ke station for lejole wa no la fine
Okay, after mine, mom would share Abilokos, Captain retired Bakope, Nana Jen and Rebel Brodishi. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. Oma Jim, Mantam when you now was so Paula Mantam, and so they almost seen it come for crack. For radio, need to Okuma Radio, Netty and the Pania Konyeko, what I say.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
And it's a solid 9 out of 4. Yes, radio just got better. Me and you. Ekoso pa. Hey, amo. Na Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant in Penny for 7 chiao. Na mibisa say what to say. Abushia Ekobani say ya. Na ya say ndade no. Ade chifufuo. Ni di edepa. Eko konta de acheso. Eya bisa Abigail otwitwa ne saa. Madam ya de fufuo na de acheso fufukusa no. Abomadia ye ne live soup kakra ko bi wom. Na nwa kakra wom. So the boss wa unze na fruit to ye no a. Na abusia akoba so samre. Dudu na ne omu kondo so mu besi dan. Anso ene akade na koye bibia wo ho. Minimu kofuo bebre o ma to blocks egu o ma sa so. O ma to anwea. Aka cement sem. Tie me. Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant in Penny for Seminchiao. Oma Semi Asemtia. Abushia Wapen and Koto Cement bag ba kwa yede to kamu. baby akɔ form ho be kwa yi ama pepepe say hokra ye check baako na ye di nkomo samre Ejapaye e quarry blocks 5 inches and 6 inches some blocks 5 inches and 6 inches hollow blocks 5 inches and 6 inches efe eba anwea say open wo trip ana open wo tipam ana say me no ka say open wo rhino kotokuom oh mama bomadi hansa woni Ejapaye construction be kwakodi nsa so eba eye sambre iron rods ensuo binding wires ana se bushia wope river sand wopen wo tipam ana se quarry mu wope quarry tipa ana se de rhino ni nyina ya crowd se beboa wo Ejapaye wo eye edansie ho niam nyina enti e hope your number one stop shop wonya du wo apade a wope bia ya de bema wo asamre wo mre kura ebeka ni nyina bom de aguka baakum ene ye wo ko ha ne boga kura ye de bekwa kwajaw na for information for Ejapaye was 0244719814 0244719814 abusua kayo say Ejapaye was live band bio Dew omo ben Star Oil filling station no was Abeka Ejapaye construction and general merchant from 0244719814 Ejapaye na I say adansifo adamfo na Dominion Herbal Powder and penny for seminchiao na minka sem debi nchirao ene yare kura ebesue woni pedua na wu se wu ko benkum ena wu se wu ko nifa eya no atoba ha eya na bibia ye wani ha abusha me no ka say diabetes stroke ana spinal cord problem high blood pressure ena abesue woni pedua na nsomia wuntimi na sleepness sa wodawa nugusu sa wuntimi na obiada ada unkwa na odeka Ghana bankrada anything on somebody me come for a Dominion Herbal Powder at the amount somebody if he Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited I won't koko omo bomodinga ayeti surunkuin ade brow sanum esane se sanso ye immune booster afa wuyo obi asamre mojambro so BP e wo so diabetes asichire yare stroke anansa spinal cord problem insomnia ene edu wunya bomodin so wo benya Dominion Herbal Powder ni be ye kumi kura no se wo bomodin nya teaspoon no baako na wo de agunso ahiem ene metese samre kebi etufo e ka cho se wunim 250 mg na wo de pure water half woman ya shikakra bia na odi teaspoon baako agum na ne wabbo agu bosa natie wuri wani kire emiamie ya won sabeka Dominion Herbal Powder ibe pharmacy ni chemical shop ni herbal shops nyina across the country won sabeka bi koko for you Gapson Pharmacy won sabeka bi Odilife Pharmacy ohini ba aye ohini na herbal won sabeka bi ho Mampondora Ochiri Chemical afe Faustina Edu Chemical eno no wo mampo won sabeka bi eburi Eya Asumge House near Anglican won sabeka bi ho ana afe Somenya Nagiza Pharmacy and Christ wo ko Okanshi Drug Lane won sabeka Dominion Herbal Powder ibe mami ema yare new photo ema yare ntu jejem ema yare no mo watenase ema yare no ma wunya wadwuma wo ya samre de kakra ba ma abusua ni di wofa kope Dominion Herbal Powder ibe no na bo sampa eye ni mo bebre agudu wande akai se samre mu am wo 12 years ene ye no ma amonyam ene mu samre mu ma eye enkwala no fuo mo de amuntumi no mukura kai se me no ka say the Dominion Herbal Powder eye immune booster for your well-being. Dominion Herbal Powder na your number one eye immune booster. Obia Ghana, baby obefa bi omosi kolom. na St. Peter's College in Pennyford Seminchia. Hwɛ wo feli SSE wo ho. Ananse wasi. Abuhwe mane ha okra. Sa kwotworo bio. Bronika bibi receipt. Na wo dwin baby a wodi wani be kyerɛ ansa wakwotworo apase. Wodi abomodin ansi abotere kakra. St. Peter's College na beboa wo latekuyapem. Me no kasa dey SHS1, SHS2, SHS3. Admission is still in progress. Afi wo abomodin tworo SSE bi awie. Ana wasi. Wodi awunya afo. Ana wunya kadem me kyerɛ AF BF SC. Bomodi aso beko St. Peter's College fu ahwe e latekuyapem. Na buhia wo bedum mu atwa no one time. Wo boarding and facilities. Adema emane mama. Afi adequate supply of good drinking water, well-equipped computer laboratory, experienced staff, and a lab playing field. Afi kayo so omu fees in here very moderate. I'm sure from Reverend Father Joseph A. Labi, and then the proprietor was 0243-640-362. And I'm Mr. M. Asari. I was 0243-657-741. And I'm Mr. Joseph Edu. I was 0243-827-438. St. Peter's College and I'm sure Bomadi Chuba. It's an said this time dear. And so we call Third World War. We call first in the second and now the see. Na wodi abome nwum we kakra puduom. Wodi abome puduom no. Na me ka puduom asemi. Ola no ni nchon. Inta uma kabo noko. Me pasa me ka asem de bi kiro. Thank you. Wodi ajamu kakra. Señorita. Mama Rita. Angono mini ngono. Ya deni. Okay. Abi Adamia Adiye yaga yo wetu yaga. Agra. Sansi subio. Odi Zuzuza. Señorita, mamarita. Arakodo betima. Ase. Yeah. Na wo usani ya ofori ato ne bo yi nwom no baako. Echem se echando idie wasa budum. Asa bu akanisim. Oh. Vino. Adamikua. Ani vino. Adamikua. Ama. Hey, ama right ho aba me mo akwa. And then the abi me hon kwai. Adam ya wabo. If you run over. Hey. No, Chale sinyo me so na mi tie beat ni kakra beat ni na ya jeje wo mako na ma adwum bom za no tie beat no e wo ma adwu ya bom sezi a o de tie aha o de olopire kakra na mi tie beat no ade ni e da na do doctor Mami Chia Dr. Poku Benson Dr. Matisen Chobe Professor. Oh mama mia. Doctor, light up yourself. Lighter. Nami mama di enchiao. Okomana saribedi ako. Michael Sanka odino. Wadi asiye. Okoje mo okoje abrimpo okoje adeshe. Odonyamfo bibi abaka de. Ejumere ni. Nami Chama Salo. Dr. Papa. Dr. Salome. Group CEO bibi abaka. Ejumafo mo applause Acro Farms. Indigo Jesters. Nemu amu Acro Farms. Gideon, agidi. Now say Sabi bi aboko ho de. Okay. Na fe me mama de antunsim. Atene day. For mommy. Go down for me. Go down for me. Go down for me. Take it slow. Easy. Mommy just so many of you. Now, Abi, you know, Sunday be a Bijiramu tycoon. So, I say, Mammy Chia partner to my former tycoon, you know, Amos. At the same one, DJ Chris, DJ Romeo, the Chechamunina, Samohoya, dear. Once again, going out to you, my eternal fans are more a yoko for India, Mamma Order State. After more Fidiase, Mammy Chia, Cosico for the Association. Nami misamu amuwa tukrom bunsu janse obum edentim no tere go afa samre ayo boboy wo ko fodi trum mazin fo mo ye samu ya de afa mi mama de ambre buri nami nche aburi ahemfo wo ho nyina nanano ma ahemfo mi checha mu aburi o afa otumo jankwasi ohene wonkwaso mi chiawo na afa mi mama de anko nsewom ensewomfo nyina ne nsachifo nyina mi checha mo afe ahwe asenie obosuma asenie tutunie mampon abutachi George BNG Venture sa ho ya de na afe mi momode monwura eye amono krom kakra na osim kwatia ohene won kwaso o na mi chiaw na mi mra mamfe na ancestral sraku ohene mi chiawo na akropon mi chia akropon dia latafo atedan itu yiketiano yo bare dodo wa Apollonia oyibi sasabi me mama di enchechi amu asamre mu ashama turaku aje kwajo mu amu wa Washington New York mi chechi amu nyina wa shaman atareka afa spitters woni estate dancing mi konunwa radio da so aye desaro na eba no sana mi du akropo no manko abiriwa nana samre Kwame Hineku Emma ohine gbakode adakasu aoje awo ohine mi chiaw na mi momode anchia nana achia asare ewo dew Charlie at say a incoming MPP chairman Edema Okri wono ya fro eye alesa kodie woka sa kodie de o say oti ampanifo ne nkwala nyina na mi momodi enura okugwa osabaruma opese kumdu dodo ane so opese kunadu na me de emehene enti osabaruma opese kumdu michiao afemia mi wo fani mpompa wa batown baga ba akope wani okwapem hini wo Ohio Cincinnati wo sanso yo bobo fudensu ahene bafo kumankum sereko ayira kwa ahene wo fase maboku adwuma no enye izo mani pasa na onana no ebehye na mi momodi anu adukrom na mi chi adukrom ehuna bobo osuro dunje otutu ababi odi fif ahene mi chiawo ahene shatawale afa me kwa prede di ana mi chia eya prede hene na prede mi chiawo na fa mi momadi amwura eye asese so obu adum ahine mi chia pop any abonse afa people asefo nyina the boy asorefo mi chia mo na mi nkwanko sinkurakan ekurakan for ma 14 aseremafo asase oko amanfrom okay city for mi chia mo okra kwadwo Obizi kwa uchi o enyami o sajuma na suma onam habazali basa Bible shiani enti amachechi amu nyina ya shemtia. Are you aware sir, on the 16th of April 2022 action by the Power Regionals Hotel? If you don't know, you for know. Abushian WW when you want party papa. Where dear abana ho namo wani tuam anything assembly me come for the Amobia say Easter idea, young Codino babia. It is Easter on the Ridge. Can't catch us in Regionals Hotel. The Easter on the Ridge, bro. Now, 16th of April. The man live in concert. I am Mr. All for Real, for Rian Ponsa, supported by the Jazz Kings Band. Kaiser rating a cool 50 Ghana City for regular. And for VIP 100 Ghana City. And for also welcome with drinks, fingerfuls. Tickets to be available, says Yamino Kase, Originals Hotel, I do come up opposite the old Okre District Assembly offices, you know. And answer would when it's a year a cropon, a manfo, Wofa a year a Kufu Road in the Swa, very much in Memorial House, opposite the Parliament Spot on Sabeko, come on, Ubenya ticket in the walk my hands, so I will copone capim. Who come man face or man for total filling station, Eric Tai, when my do my phone in Amichamo, our total filling station, or a star oil, what a young man fame, star oil, what dummy church, Amunina, Manana, Manana, for ticketing and reservation, I was share Oforiba when your station bino any baby Omokaza will be by one man, but wait yet all about life and college. From Penny was 0244 333373 and 050 3337 788. Regionals Hotel at the Easter on the Ridge April on the 16th. Now on the 16th, you know, what they are doing is no muntie you for you. For it to kakra momo. Tonesa. Señorita, Mamarita. For you, Diamo. I was young, Chamber Response update to everyone. But I saw Medilac Herbati na make come for the amount as I saw Bomadinanum. Nema on your mass senior muscle. And for the face system party Cassiana because of originals, you know. Now me part for treatment of fire migraine. And answer Yaga Crow and Croby. I be show ni pedria. Who petit soon could be a bit me a Bomadian. Ama eya umoja etimia circulate ya and ye eya yisa Medilac Herbati and I make come for the amount and also just say 25 milligram. Na wabomodi and the gu eye and so she be mu wabomodi area check what's up what you here and you know if you want man unya eyisa opinto Herbati opinto Herbati no na wabomodi area check what's up na no ne kumi kura ne say wo body echi eye acidic foods and no be regulating nyina ye ne kama e for wo obi a bacteria eta eba wo nipadua no ho enti nipadua no aseda no na e bibia ho afa wo hia sambre ade e betimi purify ana betu moja na moja na ni atimi adan wan vital organ ebiti say liver kidney eye ne akeka ho ni nyina no hia opinto Herbati ebema ni nyina atimi atemdin ema nipadua no upia unsampa wapie afetie so digestive system wow realize that aduane we say aduane no eti giregira wo bo just enkoye so digestive system no enheda enkoye na wo hia opinto Herbati na wo dia cleanse niema ama niema timi agina ne nan so afa wo obi a malaria sa how ana typhoid ni nyina no opinto Herbati na bebo efia yisa eno no ye yisa opinto Herbati no na me no kasai wonya ensure ehuru poto so I say 25 milligram wabomadian di opinto TB e de agum and ye wona wo kwo no wafa ho adwane kura na the boy wo hu ni amekere no afa yisa minta Herbati no so ho ena mi twa minta yisa minta Herbati abusia improve blood circulation afa me no kase cholesterol asho ma eno so beto so kura afa diabetes anansa blood pressure wo ho a wo hia yisa minta Herbati bi eti abisia samino kase wo hia yisa Medilac Herbati anansa yisa opinto Herbati yisa minta Herbati ibia bomadian sa obeto to ahoma na wafre yisa also ko for bia road no wafre mo 0244 413247 and 0248 152323 ana bomadian koko for dia Ideal Herbal Shop inside a taxi rank. After Kofodia Zongo Jerome Herbal Shop area mama around all nation traffic light national wo sabeka bi afa uko sun so a Matisco drugstore e was sun T junction afa wo pesa drugstore eno depa wo pesa drugstore na fe ekua eye ekwape mamponso wo ko Faustin Edu drugstore a eye close to the GCB bagro wo sabeka bi afa wo ko odan ye wo Kennedy drugstore Nana Chumasi drugstore Precious chemical shop and afa bogro Mami Dede drugstore wonsa ebeka eye eyisa heba eye TEB absha kwaji bi nanom na nipa nso ensehwe obomodin ahwenu apomodin ekoyi a bibia timi tototen ede ma wo absha enche mebomodin a I did the lectures and update in the world of sports abiro Nana Kwame Amponsah di atenase ja me ma akwa ba bibia boko de odem oh sir wo ko fa ba ko no odem
afina me dem
odem okay after all this sports in my mama di amfa we am na fast sports in breme
say ye kase Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo ni peduam ni yeden na the senti wo tadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
don the fine pa manum bi tina me di hu adanse no enya ye say me say
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye ewo me nipaduam no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase bia gumu wo twa nseti anom wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba aton mo manufo ene nkwada woni mfiedum ye de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Abra makoya shopping no aba sese de edigia befie eti bachira hodo
What? Mirror.
Yes.
Eyisa Medulac herbal tea. Eyisa Opinto herbal tea. And Eyisa Minta herbal tea. And on the shopping no.
Hey.
Now who me saying?
Hey.
Herbal tea. Eye ni jedie.
Sana wakachire me. Na wo shantade apuskelenke di wa ha mo ne sa I am aware no. Bo life na se yare so widie mu a. Na se wo nuru ba bia na wo babere amo no. Na me so abakokora amo na. Eno na wo pe.
Eno so de tofe akwa. Enye menum Eyisa herbal tea. De bia enyini ache.
Afa na wo kasa yi. Eyisa Medulac herbal tea. Wo de tunsu ehiem kakra na adwoa. Na wo de wo kakra frem. Emfa milk na sugar nka ho. No anom ne saa. Uti pow gaga. Eye migraine. Se stress kra na wabre na ha wa. Ebadwo fom ama de wo ye no. Wadwena koso no wa ye ne yie. Ama mogya no so apompe yie. Obi kra no wo so no. Eye Parkinson disease. Ana obi kra nya brain tumor. Ebejai.
Eyisa Opinto herbal tea nso e.
Eyisa Opinto herbal tea. Eno so fatunsu ehiem 5 minutes bi achi. Na wanom ne saa. Emfa hwe frem. Ebe boost your immune system. I will liver any kidney no hopa. Na mo ahodre da. Ene menu chef football match na ka be hye pa. Malaria fever, typhoid, ene jode sonso de ho etwifa won so kra.
Ene won so yire wo ho nanom. Na firi se me chewo a me njeja me ho.
Na wo de abewo. Na ye wo Eyisa Minta herbal tea nso. E check cholesterol, blood pressure, and diabetes.
Ya mani nyina empa fie hada.
Debida.
Abusia ni nyina benum bida.
Our pharmacies, herbal and chemical shops. Dodua, Kwayisi Christian Herbal Center. Ewo Eyisa Suhum Kofodua Main Road. From 0244 413 247 and now 0248 152323.
Eyisa herbal tea.
Numbi na wabehunu ensesa ewa pomdirimu.
FDA ahwehwe saa ejadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye.
Yes, it is Saturn rolling on the 16th of April. This Easter got better on the mountains. It is Mr. All For Real, Amponsah live in concert this Easter at Regionals Hotel. I do come with Captain. Ladies and gentlemen, save the date, 16th of April. Mr. All For Real live in concert at Regionals Hotel. Regionals Hotel presents Easter on the Ridge. Date 16th of April 2022. Remember, the rate is a cool 50 Ghana City regular, VIP 100 Ghana City. Remember, you can come with your loved ones. Let's shake it out this Easter. Performing live alongside is the Jazz Kings Band. Jazz Kings Band is going to be live. So we'll be taking to the Biatwa. Bra Okuma Radio, Ekropone Krapim Amanfo, opposite the Parliament Sports, Regional Hotel, Edu Krome Krapim, opposite the Old Okre District Assembly, Manfi Total Filling Station, Wasa Ebekebi Woho. For reservation and ticketing, call the following numbers 0244 333373 and 050 3337 788. This event is being powered by Okuman 97.1 Radio. Come on, come all. Let's have fun. Let's have fun.
Achawajo, Uncle Yet, Yamo, Nima, the best of it, no man catch me say.
Cratchy, Ada, we are home with a Capima. Want a Japaya construction and general merchant in Ghana. A Bakwari block 5 inches and another 6 inches. A Basan block 5 inches and another 6 inches. Sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches. T. Sawupe Abo Edia Sidine. Sawupe Anya Edia Sidine. Sawupe ensure Edia call side. Another binding wires. About building materials. What you mean? A Japaya construction and general merchant won't that? Esan say omo enema discount ewo ade bia wo betobia wo ma so cement kura de enkoho water cement nu anansa miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery wo betimi afra ajapaye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwawi na wo pe ewo track mu anansa tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi open stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrew ajapaye ewo dew Ekwapem Wabendel filling station no ubetimi from and 0244 719814 0244 719814 Kayo sawo ya party engagement aye anase bi biara wo ye bia wo hia live band Ejapaye san wo live band na omube hu nyom amu feel te Ejapaye live band na ubeti ne de yie abushia ubetimi afre and 0244 719814 Ejapaye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor for Adam for
Akropon Kapim Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nana kwa ampo said the memo akwa baja bibia boko de mia.
Finance Yakopon Adom.
Right. And then Tuesday kwabna Abraham Foda. Na bibia ni said ye de momo. O dia we kwame. Kwame so na kaka ku ya friend say.
I say one said am family.
Kaka ku na mi say your friend say kaka ku.
On the mission of kwa kuntu kwa from pon.
Kaka ku ya friend say.
Oba kwa kwara.
Right.
So ni pay na asan ya be.
Okay, yo.
But we say the legendary George Dakon and any birthday. And you know, finance and easy, I'm sorry, and easy kura. And you know, your papa George Dakon, or command to for him, or command to for him, and then I would that. And you know, finally, maybe sorry, so I messed around that Donzi. What happened?
Yeah, bought a
and one year, what about it?
Yeah, no color, man,
or command to for him, George Dakon. And then any birthday, young wish no, happy birthday. Yankupo inshirane pa na ya na just say onto no kwandem o ma na ho den na fin so no ondon no nkwatenten na inshira ene nyansa ho den sika bibia wom na fin so ma no entumentum pon emfa enko nanim it's in finance and but intimi tell me them
odam
don't so be you know kwe na say asama ba ezan say ayi bi wo ha yeso ye na ya na
oh cham
go for ya dia ntino so wa bi atum dia na wa say Johnson bi wo ntino Johnson 2 Johnson wa say na Johnson 2 also ntino jomu ya na wa say wo that lam tena say
okay
ya kama but be just say the free MTN FA Cup when we say no quarter final draw no and so no etima to southern zone and I think to northern zone now say na penny focus na so no draw ni to me ko ukopie mu e the southern zone na Sky FC and so any Accra to folk and a bit about Sky FC and a hat to folk and a bebo Samson and Dreams FC and so better na feel Theater of Dreams now on also any Kotoku Royals etima about Dreams FC any Kotoku Royals ebebo northern zone ni Bechem United and so any Tamale City ebebo Bechem United any Tamale City ebo Eduana Stars ebetena fie e Doma na ono so any Ken Faisal etimi abo Ariana Stars ene Ken Faisal we Northern Zone titienie quarter final draw na Southern Zone bo kwa ni Sky FC ene out to folk ebebo Samson and Dreams FC ene Kotoku Royals enso ebebo Northern Zone ni Bechem United ene Tamale City and afinso na Ariana Stars enso ene Ken Faisal ebebo na yemfin FA Cup draw ni na afinso yenko piem won semfufro ma onu se okopiem Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports and I know that Yakobo Afcon Niaman Shada Ankoyi in paying for Tenancy no investigation and saying you should here into me and Koso El Ghana best my performance it me call down El Cameroon now committee international over your margin say no on to me at on Saturday Friday that you know on to my back now Yura Johnson Kwekwedu and so no part of the committee on to me then shemu eba na on no training say muze and Afcon no Niama bebre and so to me Koso Young Yura Johnson Kwekwedu on a part of Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports and the Tuja Edifa Afcon 2021.
So and correct certainly Winyanity no a committee on youth sports and culture, Brass Speaker of Parliament referrer Edemaye on the poor performance of the Afcon Ghana Blasa Kugu and when must buy Yamea Dom report no and a report no Parliament House na yesterday ebubu report na kwanyama anti nyame ba receive na report ni bit na afi yetimi ede ne course nyina abada so Ghana fo anim na yehunu ne nam so a baaye ma ne mankoyi afi bembensoa Ghana football akuduru ene be bia ye recommendations ya hia se ye ebeboa ama Ghana football etimegina na so nyina eti na ubisa na saneti and ye nanka ye hwekwa ni say nanka Speaker of Parliament wa ha ono na nanka esenkere report no edika amano na ono no ehwe vi ansana wa makwan ama yede ase other people of Parliament ya yede ye nanka other people no abem na akoye bibiti se motion na chairman ye move motion no na ye move ya na ranking member a second wia na fi ye be floor na yama adodo from other sides both sides ni na bia atre na agba ye kaso se Speaker of Parliament enya available anything no ka ho bi na ama aye bibi kakra na ye hu se na yele report because ono na asoma ye se nkwedi djuma enti se ya ma ono no aso anti djuma di na efiti prekope na go ka ho asem e wona chi a na akoye se entwe yi eno nti tempanifo eni ni dingita ho se untumi madia eni na so ono be ma ye kwan ye ma ni deputy speakers ni report no na yin lady a then yes so you can go ahead and lead the report for further action tina sana isi akwako
When summer no honorable Johnson Kwekwedu on a member of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Youth and Sports editu Joanna Oyeni business honorable and then no yatiti nanki ye share ni say yewura and as a captain and the Black Stars of Ghana the day you baba na fin so no other nsem e dey abedan committee money the day you nkomodie no our committee level no e ko say obaya na wama
is the second time I hear you friend no first one no sabre na akwenni na ya friend na omanoni a okwakusi akan na no ye nso ba iso so ne sa to no nkra nso so no nti me sure say ni nyina e bia be part of the report na say telephone so etf say hu nya say the bebe mu dia fine but some of us feel say it's about time as say call a speed esan say ne me bi e koso a na nya esase nyina etimi search no say ade na nye nti minia turn upon the committee's invitation say e bia na makanisa e bia na nsem bi wa akiri nti a e bia e ba yi nti a ekoba asa nti na me ma charity mentimi kanisa insisudia for now mentimi kansisudia for now but me feel say esase de be mana say the man say onipa bia no say bi obobra na obako animu a uhia kwankyere uhia futuo de say suku akoda ye do akomo chechiri ni say onkyere wade say utie na futuo na utimi tutu anamo bia that wenti futuo na okyere no tuna bi na muso na ne mebi kutia wa na jese wa na oye nti say ye bebu no pusa na nyame ya no say report ba bon tia yi na yetimenya akwanya na actually ya adwen mentimi kan say tene makana na wo de yemfanso no sa yemfanso ho sa ye debate o the floor of the house wa anya den a amanfo bebre pressmen now around debate ye because nyina no they will record the debate the full glare of the press of the TV of all radio stations they will come to the Parliament house and give the report nti ade e betodwa amaga
Winning summer in Yura Johnson Kwekwadu, honor a member of the Ministry of and I say in the Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports. Editor jump editor Andre Ayu, the invitation and also member Ami Pimo committee and anymore Papano. Eddie Emu Enchimu, Eddie Apa, Yemfi, did you any parliamentary and Sensama, Nego Pimo, or Uran ni or Datelamte, and so Akachi, Unusana, and the court case, and court to Timitana say Eddie Muaye, about each room say, Okodu Omfano, non him, and if fear, and East Legona, the ex-wife, Eshisha News and Kobeji, Eddie Friend in Seven, any Papano, and to me found and him not on got them, non so and one bra. Now, quarter in 70 we ain't yet to be near Datelamte, and he began say, Date, feeling it is a wanyaji, and I say, oh, yeah, the fear no poor tongue or the man, and I saw so now the better bano.
At that time. Can you imagine? Somewhere in 1999, and I'm in Germany, I'm in Protestant. I don't know, this is more value, but for now, the American, the most important thing, how the state of the house and here. Nyame wo hono se mempa na meyi flo the meron na na the rent na the man na the rent the man sponsor na my son the decision will come as I enter the house to see how it looks myself. So because me feel say ye wo for I say your mu amadaye na we are no so me feel say no credit e ba ko pe sebio mi amen come me ya and next kwada na ye media. If you come in, make us a month. I said, you might be beyond, no way as I am a winner. But then sometimes we ask them what that's why I decided to fight to the last end. But you're sure to say, you're sure that a credit, yeah, but the medal winner because men better than because I deal with. After me, dear, will cram out. Senior mother, if you move to me, a quam, if you move to me, Kuabano, if you move to me, Yamma Bray, and Yamia Shema on dear, then to me acting in such a manner, I said you after 9 years, whatever I suffer for now about the demons, tobacco, and the medal in
Winning summer near Datelamte on all air former player the Black Stars of Ghana. Editu Dra Edifa on any ex-wife from Sensamani, Ecopimo quarter, Mwayanso Abano, Odimu, Enchirimu, and so it's media by Yenfi Copimo Manane, on send a UEFA Champions League. Games me to me at to draw and Ecopimo, our City of Manchester, now say Etihad Stadium, the Citizens, Manchester City, Sky Blues at Nafi, now on also any Atletico de Madrid, all the way from Spain, and so at me Eddie Aboyniam, and Yasin Kuma 7 p.m. Ghana time. And I saw game no able to me at to draw Manchester, Samson Akopima, Portugal, Benfica, and so Tenafie, now on also any Liverpool. You will never walk alone. And so at me area boy and so to draw 7 p.m. Ghana time. Echina, Yatanasa at the results on any Akanyina, and so able to me area to draw area mount. And some of the Dawson, Nemum Nese, Nefata, Sama Forteno, and any Yanso yet to me area about me. Calvin Ampon said you wait my friend AK. I say Bibia, I kama yo kwe me say and you know the legend. Yes, or command to for George Dako. We wish you happy birthday. And so
say na woda. Na answer na me say we asem asi kwame.
That's him.
Say ja awie na mse o me koya arrangement ni akofa nkole yi ndi me ko dukro mo ba. Uma mi amene tena ka mu ni phone ayira. Kwame abitika na chimene na to na mteso akafufu asem mi na mde. Misi koye ma dia me koye.
Okande asem.
Ni fufu asem.
Say ya ba na say.
No zini nu abi nye fufu no obedi bi. Oh okay. Enti me de go si za me de mi go si wo eyedu krom ko me ba bia. Ya ko je ni se ya phone atoka ni mu a se phone atoka mu se ko yin ye hu phone achiri kwan. Enti mesre
the driver near
masre yes ewie ya wo fa me wadwuma ya ni mu kwadu krom
yes
mesrew
no
obi ni mo bia no frɛ
yeah frɛ phone yes
phone ye frɛ yes ye koye se si ade adum
Edum Colo battery.
Eti what Eti the boy.
Edum Ebrono Kumasi.
Edum Ebrono. Odi Edum
Omadum no.
Omadum na say
Papa Edum. Eti Edum battery ne Colo na. Eti yebesre driver wo fa ewanim ha ya de edu. Edu kroma. Me see here no me ma 100 cedis. And ade me say me de me she bank wo yema ade. Eti sesia no. Yebesre wo.
Onso akotena ke
ebi akotena ka mo hu ka
na ko ba bi na akotena na wo say dem
Yesre. Mami no fi kuma se ton wa bepiem. Yesre wo.
Eba ni fufu ekura no ntumi.
Ni fufu okro ntimi ni fufu. Ontimi ni.
Fufu.
Eti
akotena na bra so no fufu
dia. Di tikura na ko ye se me wa he ya. Me ne na tra ka yi wa. Na me fa kakra ma ni.
Eti ode ba kuma na hakura na.
Wo dia phone no. Yesre wo. Fabre security no wo kuma. Wo dia modin.
Yes.
Fabre no. Ana se foko Edukrom police station ana Ekropon police station.
Ofameja Burkina
ya
taxi station o haya yi. Se no ya man for ndija no.
Okay.
Ayo mu sa no na mo yom de ko. Mo dia ko ma.
Eti we dia yesre wo. Wo dia we bia otre.
Fufu e bin kwa na ye friend
na ka. Me ni ma me no se password mpokura da so. Se dia na da so yenim.
Eti na me pa.
Phone o say phone ben.
Nchire pa mu ma chire ya.
Wa mu
za da boy fufu e kwa ko bin na ye.
Se ne mo ka se ade na edum no na mpese me mu se bia. Na ka how many battery no
na me that way you know na go beti be but I ya say mobo esanso ye me ya pa because
fini baby okọ
at the end of the day
kwame no kwase me say
that jam say the boy mpokra say me meje ayi ba ko na me say me kwa ba
akrofo aba papa Edukrom say
eti we dia ya
wo ye chi ne manyina akrofo no kwase mo fa phone mra chare we
eti we dia ya vesra driver ya tra kabu emza mi yankasa Eda mi ankasa kura na ni me but hage
kana de ko
kana me de ko en o ka chipon so
kana de ko en
kana o be frɛ ni aba frɛ mi na oni ni gina di nkɔmɔ na
dabi anu ya me de no we dia me fa taxi we kana ya ketua bi
friend mu ya
na wan shakalan
me kura me kai emze be red do say
kana for mu ya
ani am fa we ni mu
do ni tiatia tuntum I'll catch you pon kasa
tata tuntum yebesre no
anya ono ozo tuntum catch you pon kasa
mi bisa ni so techipo se ote enti no mi bisa enti no mesra wo bia watena ka ketewa bi mu ka no amse be metics me hwe ka na ketewa metics metics enti no yebesre me die no kura ni nyame anim mi si fam no ma hwe ba bia
ayo no pa de o de be
na me de ya so no so ba ha o mu ko si ni so an so ba ha si me wo ka ni mu bi nti o me bisa and I'm so when you yesre no yesre say ono so so amfo bia nti no etu avo
ebi on je sit no on say to be kwose
sit ni ba eti yesre na on hwe ne ka nim yesre na
o si wo no amfo bia na oba street
da bi mi nim sabi dia me ba kra wa na ba kra atwam kra ma
me dia ya ha fufu na aba bi ya ba frɛ na edum
odefo o se dey
fufu na
odefo
o se Samsung
odefo ti fufu na
o se Samsung
se bia ya fra ka je
odefo ti fufu na odefo
Samsung won
Samsung we dia je fa me am te ka ni mu bi e fa me wani we ya na me ko Edukrom ko ya
odefo ye be o ya
maka no man so ka no man hwe ka no kala no
odefo se
ba se no maka say red
odefo se na ya
fufu no won say ebi o mo fon so ye se e frɛ no ye finance no ye ko se enia o mo ye fufu bu ofie die bia ene
fufu na I don't know ye ko ti oba na mi say awuna na o temi ho ana o say ye nka fufu ase no so siri e mo ntiro
die bia ye frɛ na ka je fufu kra ready kra na fun na dum aba na nkate
odefo
ebi ana ya aba na nkate na
odefo
all right abusha yanto aso na ye momodi anhwe ne ekoso sesia woni mu say ya bia school
oh finance ade
nkofo bebere ko yase form 1 for no ko
omonko
ayu awe
so yase omumre nti omonko
omumre
ya ba na ozo omumre school nti omonko
Middle school matters be Nemum. Grace I had the corona hammer.
Grace in the day.
Ah, we 40, 45.
Near Tia me, that's no
problem.
What do you tear me? First year, a student. I had a year 2022-2023 academic year, no. I'm on double track, DB. Into you who go, you who, you know, I don't know. With the green, who's the Ebewapa?
At the end, you
will say, since the Adomunian Abequa Bumbako.
Kobo na de na ebe hu wo.
De na ebe hu wo. Me say na my
congestion.
Me de
ebe hu say exercise book.
En kobo mu no say den o no. Me hwe ho. Na mo grace am mo go school no. That me say emfa cut off point bi nto ho. Me say
en kwara na bo. Shoe fabric
Jeff computer presec. Na we see obi anya 55 or ko presec.
O class na bi.
O de for say 55 as you class 45
presec. I say you green you gold you green bio.
I think
any asem there now.
I think say they are trying to implement maybe to say American system no.
Okay.
Good.
Say back then no na ebia ofia kropon. Me say me wie kwapman GSS
straight to presec.
Even though na yet cranked down.
Yeah.
But me go school me we na me call presec.
Yes. And then I'm a more history kakra.
Me nua kwam na Japan say your call Pojos. I think say Bedi call Accra Academy.
Bedi na me try say make idea no Bedi. That's it Bedi way.
Bedi's in the US.
Okay.
He's a geologist now.
Oh wow.
It's a buha utimi fi ekropon utimi fi edu krom fi monochrome ba no wanya Adisadel College.
That's right.
Na oko. No because of boarding school system ninti no say ni wait me akoda school.
Yes.
Or person will implement as a abroad system where obia ku school or vicinity ofimu ba. So you are a bit more familiar with surroundings, and then two, it can cure the issue of congestion.
Okay.
Because boarding facilities no so ti benfie nti bia go school o mampon kra ubetimi akọ school asa be ubetimi akọ me for me I think say it's a very laudable idea.
Okay.
Even though I think I also have an issue with grading now.
The boy can
because me take grades ni bi no it wasn't
and ye twu humomome
it wasn't
office ni mu na all kind of say the boy sometimes you need to mix the bad ones with the good ones. They will catch up.
Yes.
Baby, Jeff, you and I know say maybe a slow status.
Kwame.
Maybe a slow status. You can't take it for
me. Jeff Kano. I'm education minister no school America no person implement. Me dey say you just 45. That ben na adwuma be che.
Ebi wo honso a na as you are it's becoming a recipe for mediocrity. Say the children start feeling say, oh, going to go to school at the end of the day. So I say because the end time when you say
when you grade it, master very child at all.
So I say. So I say into when you be say we be push you kakra because open school papa bi akọ me tea grades ni bia ebe mo de kokwas I was not happy.
No, but in the long run me the cry green you know must stop because not a hard dream. Obi timi go fear 2 weeks. The following 2 weeks depend on some but 2 weeks.
Obi timi go school 3 days no am akọ
I think say who say in years past no na so what's the Sun school system now? Then you have a backlog of whole year of people able how with meeting FE.
Wow.
So what you say? I think that was what Abane person avoided. Into no creative gold and green track system. No to take that out of the system. I think say no so was good. See Ghana, sometimes we have to put politics aside and look at maybe how it's going to help us. Look, there is no economy. They went from let's say a low class economy to a first world economy. Free basic education wasn't part of the plan. It is very crucial to development. Look, maybe to say trying to digitize the system. if you have a population that won't go school, they don't even understand the benefits of a digitized system and how it helps them as a people. When you have a population away educated, it's actually easy to push policies.
No, me catch you. Be say, yeah, ID cards I use to Ghana, baby. It will pass ira, bako pa ira. Won't me
Ghana have before I recoup ID back.
What for process baby?
Brow be brain.
Eto anka say Ghana card eBay. Ebetimi just see IDs nyina no.
Say IDs no. Say Ghana card no yetime digitizing ye. Or IDs are yebenya or Ghana happy your Ghana card, your driver's license and your passport.
Yes.
3. Even in the US that is what it is. You have your passport or citizenship card or one card and then you have your driver's license. Asa.
Jeff, with that one can say worry a Ghana card and Corbecho say if you want to use your passport.
Yes. Me say me use my passport
because all passport
with the driver's license and what they
because they are both biometric. Internet I don't know a standard accepted.
Addition and as school corner yen are part of the world. That's a film.
I don't just say our firm. It is a thing in a yetimi education. Send your buyer near sin and listen to me.
In fact, 45 inches.
Oh, and I make us say, I know the uncle. Mama, what you see from the beginning is say, yeah, discuss what inside when I'm sure say, it be a slow status. Obi one man, I tell you, me can put me for me.
Mama, emphasis everything. School one, teacher, math teacher, English teacher, science teacher,
time. Near slow status, but this time around, they were near Malcolm.
Status.
Very, very bad. Let's be honest. Very, very bad.
All right.
Grade 50.
Jeffrey, now you got the next.
When you sing single grade, A class school.
I know they no carry because
says and free education.
Free education.
Those are some of the downsides of universal education.
That's right.
Say because a mass education, will be ashamed. But we say Babak near share the quality of education. And even the type of education. Senior can slow start. Me, I agree with both sides. If you look at it, obi oha ne strength. And they say ebia oye handy. Ebia oye woodwork, leather work. Bia na bibia. Obon san ko be excel pa. But enye nyina na ye to me maths no. Enye nyina na ye to me science no. Enye nyina na ye to me economics and into I think say we should really look at our educational system. They share the look now they are DNA testing systems are even at a very young age 2-3 years we'll be to test over and tell you new strengths.
Okay.
And babies type of education I wouldn't FEMA they will excel in life.
Okay.
So
I know what Ghana says.
Oh yes,
DNA test. Wow.
Yes, it's there.
It's expensive.
It's there. I don't know how much it costs to do that, but it's there. They will tell you that maybe I obey mathematically obey good. Or the nefa maybe a maths any technical obey to me obey
that's not just drawing board need T square. Our hostel.
Me say not drawing board need T square. I didn't really like the technical.
Yeah, man way. But my money back was say, or person Mofrana Trusu, into Obeboa Mofrano. Yeah, or guide Mofrana. Over more turning in
a teacher from the friend.
I was young called the next one, Angelique Kujo, Obekaina. Mino Case Rocky Downey, you nominating Whiskey, you nominating. Mino Case, the 64th Grammys, Global Music Best Global Music, Angelique Kujo, and a winnie. Eti lucky that when you born a basu baby for nomination, Whiskey, at 12 no go mami abere wana sanfa. Did you see that coming?
But to be nominated for a Grammy, for me, it's a victory.
Yeah, it's true, but yeah, Angelique Kujo meeting in Kanam show.
I remember a particular segment you win of fire.
We need best global music.
Good.
Global, global.
Banya Grammy Nankasana. Angelique Jafano.
Oh, that be a no.
Expert.
You are getting wrong. One say
Asama make a one just
awards.
Sir, who win here? Yeah, you songwriter of the year. Reggae dancer category on
Grammys. Rocky Dawuni, what type of music?
So no.
Reggae.
Yeah,
reggae.
But they are looking at no. Any gender ne crown or modi. Almost so ofi. Africa,
no, world music, I aware for usually the Grammys na center on music in the US.
Yes. Yeah.
So world music and I aware for other genres that comes from other continents around the world. Last year I think it was Burna Boy. And a winnie because now Afrobeats is becoming very, Afrofinity Afrobeats.
Oh yeah, somebody videos.
Oh yeah, when you watch the videos on Instagram, on TikTok. Yeah. Now they are even beginning to understand
recently,
the rhythm.
Camido Dieu said, no, this is everywhere.
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
To understand the rhythm. It's beginning to get recognition.
Angelique Jo, about you to know what being. Because performance be very, very strong. And because I'm no more French speaking way, or easily. Not travel.
So but no, you match. So you match. And
it's just that
as being in the industry, watch it.
Oh yes.
That's what I want to say.
But Rocky Dawuni so. Oh, watch industry match.
Rocky bar somewhere 99.
Rocky a Japan.
Rocky bar 99.
Rocky is also a veteran.
Yeah, about 99. I make na ne brother Chico Dawuni.
Say you back for Africa.
Yeah. Now Rocky Dawuni release the album and we were close in the same area.
Brother Chico Dawuni. That's true.
So I was close with them because they were the same neighborhood.
Yeah, in Crawford, no more Ghana Hano. A banyum to Nankasa. Never be bracia. And never be brace yet. There's so many things. Only there, Sanum way, Abibai. Yokofa, your ball ligitan can you find if you Congo. Yeah, no ball. Yes, go for Tiana Cafe Congo. Not in the buy.
But Sanum Utia. Yeah. You see the quality of sound that comes from Abibai. One of the days say we have the equipment here. Take the voice out and just listen to the instrumental.
Well, Mami Angelique Jo ni nyum baako. Na efe me prepare towards Okuma Court CCR, right?
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Ayame Adley Dubuo, me war Parliament Sports. Mine Okuman Radio Nhwenim. Me wireless take the bia no po ewio and the phone e do Okuman. Nti misire mu amuti Okuman nyina so bia nti ho na recording sempa me damase.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuma, any Ghana Fonina,
Midingani Abrabo one, side driver back or work up him. Okuma Radio, a radio, Udu Radio Tua, Ubenyaso, a chat in Abenyaton Faso, Timisreso Biafan Radio, and Panto, Okuma 97.1 Radio.
97.1.
Ain't no way Angelique Kidjo winning the Basaya Global Music Album at the 23rd Grammys. I wish you the show still goes on. But I say Jeffrey Akufu-Boateng, SP Yo. Now, me that Victor here that could list to Nana call me up and said if I say it is on radio. Angelique Kidjo. We need these over Rocky Dauni, Whiskey, and others. Best Global Music Album at the 24th Grammys. At Rexo Man, you may ready. The young person who is for Okuman Cotton Brett for. Once again, you're from it and I call me Peru, waiting me from the finals and men in our country and some CC and some in town and some in your Safata Sassi at the Bido, our court and so near the bro. Everyone stay tuned, more to come.
Okay, after mine, one with this year, Abilokos, Captain Retire, Bakope, Nana Jenyam Rebel, British year. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. On my gym, Mantem when you now was so call Mantem, as we are almost significant for crack. For radio, to Okuma Radio, Netty and the Paniaco Nieko, what I say.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Me Adelaide Dubuo, me war Parliament Sports. Me ne Okuman Radio, Ushwenim. Me wireless day, the bia no po, a yo, and your phone, and Okuman. Intimacy, I'm with your community. So be a deal, what in some pack, Damasi.
Imine Kajino then. It's so many sour and this are opposite. Ilana no Fenoke, a station for Okuma Radio. I got Legion le around Lumba. Fine, for no Fenoke station for Legion no one laugh fine. I'm gonna rock tonight. Cause I'm in the mood.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère mi yaro. Munti Akuma Radio ga edasi.
Akuma Radio 97.1. Akuma Radio 97.1.
Right, I'm sure I'm also saying media come on court but right about time here. And some will see what Tampa yeah. About the side and see the man who said yourself fata some rabbit of what trans me more call baby aboko there.
Boko na enye boko sa
right
ana papa bi che already so manager
I say
o ndo no ye na ta fo na mi gra na man ti oziki na ebo eyi maso 3 aziki aha o ndo no ye na ta fo na bebre na so papa mi pa wasem mi papa na sem papa mi dem ho ye no ma ta fo eyi ancho pare bia no na ye keki mama eyi Joyce no ai matamfo nipa time no nipa time na be.
Say your my order.
Some say me hu ye. Na matamfo na be bre.
All right. Now some man na see.
Kwame, anya asembiara
okay.
Madam Funi, Madam Family, Mayoko Bravo Pa, or Moira, no, she said, no one chip never called her Buano, no, so my Buano. Now when I'm more, and I didn't put to put taxi.
Okay,
hey, I jab a hill, Madam Funi, we know, hey, Madam for we say, that will mean your man, Teja, they are nice at Nico Hospital. It's a Nico, a clinic here, where
okay.
Never I saw Dano, I saw the nature dynamic, oh, quite do chroma. Was a clinic you are so done that you na mekano.
Okay.
The call. The call still na madam for want to not next for so. Me find him refi am a young kwai man nti na my young kwai akoto nande akoto we na me dey ewumu grasimento hand sanitizer and van nsa na ma horo nsa. Hand o dey say esi mubu ni mo na ma bubu yenyiniti kakra madam for want to no a. Answer no be yare no. No kuta 100 million ewo ne ho no hu saka 20 million na nye bia ma fa na say ai o yare ya na me ya nkwan ma wudi no sika ba na me ya nkwan no eti mi su 80 million 8000 cedis ana me share no na ene ne ho ato ndi koko onu mu ye adware ye president do twetwe ne sen je say bibia no kwa me ekoye 80 million
8000
akana nsesa 20 million what is there be it's a mean for 10 million count just say anka yare sare de aduane bi obedi bia no say ye 30 million ye 3000 ana me say na me sure na so no hwe no ho wan fie no betena e wan ko yo so no tena e da bi ko check up
eja akonwa na obetena so nyina wo de bele no
sa me sare yare na kam ye den na kam ye den kakra bi ne ho odo yetim fa ne mrakri ye de bi hye ne motuam koko onum ye nyina masa etime de no kwasem ne se 80 million am de hwe no aka 20 million ye 2000 tene de ho ye bana ye we papa na madane ama no
right madam
ora
just say
senior madam African me nka se me ho ye if you say me ho fa still na mom nyame adom intime wa ahoden a
eba ne se na usika sha ho yare madam fui odo nti wagina ne nan sa bomodin asa yare yekom nka wasa yekom bomodin hwe wasa yare awi na ka wodi esan ka wanya yare se rade na
esa
na sika sha ho de oh bra adai
odo
bay
therefore kasa
therefore ka wasem
therefore enye boni na ansana mi be yare ama madam feeding ma hospital na me ni obi edi asase ho asem nkomo
okay
enti enu nti ena na mi kura 100 million ewo me
muka 100 na e bebre 10000 oh
a che se mi kwa kotua o ena nyankopon ni wiase de unim se wo ye nipa unim ade ebetumi ato
right
in just a minute no bibi betumi ayo ena me yare na me krapo se wo de me akọ hospital a ye yi mi NHIS card ma National Health Insurance card edma eno na wo use wo hospital eno nso mi nim se emfa bill ni nyina kra ehwan so
eyira akire na eyira na me hu
o ye nipa bonini
eyira na me hu
obua ma wo use ade yi enti se time ame home family ni na ebi wa agime ato ne edi nso esimi so ne ade enti after a week ya me regain me ankasa me ho kakra ne menya no amede kasa no ena me bi say o say 100 million ana say 10,000 cc as kana e me pocket enti sika no we he si wo di 8,000 na ahwe me
wow
say me dwen wa menti ase
8,000 pacho de ene de na auto
aja no pa me to koko maro
ye ko puli eyin so a sika ya bowom ka ya bom ewo me ho ewo hospital we hwe nso a receipt ni ade enu 2,000
oh crazy
na se me fa me chataka no so be receipt
endu
majo chataka e receipt
se me ya wadan
ko so kra o de bele
ya me ya chataka e receipt me kai me de kwa agise deba ni tama ho ma ye pon Yeah, you share the so beko click line tin.
No one ko jam ama mebusuafo wonim nia pese wo yenti.
Na that's also one for ebusuafo.
Dropping out in the hospital na
de bele.
Koko Benum sanita de. So ba no, man say na fata de ama.
Oh really? Ni nyina ton ta for from.
Na say eboto nose mask, ni nyina no meto.
Right. Abusia mema mabam. Asemu asambre asini 0551 667755 and 0270191971. Audition be ni.
Audition na no eni.
Papa bi na bibia boko de oyima.
Boko.
Wono wo yokuma ahima wate.
Mate.
Samre bomadi ache wadwo asemi audition.
Me pa cho nkase mi bisa papa ni si. Sika no ose no ode maame ne kwa brochiri ayaresa na.
No mami mumisa.
Aden obisa mesa.
Mumisa no.
Wa sisi no wa wia no kese.
Ana yare ya. Odi pani yare masa na yare o se abroche yare.
Na no ye be da se na me fa foforo wa homa so 0270 1971 and 0551 667755. Okay.
Botswana say me say abroche yare.
Yo. Salo.
Yeah.
Na bibia boko wa mono krom de oyima.
Nyame adum bibia boko na monso e.
Nyame gusu ekura yensa. Okoma enie.
Okapmaya no.
Me ba choche wadwo wasemi o.
Mbese mbisa maame ni say oni health insurance ana.
Ana make I say health insurance impo or you see me card.
Na say 1 week no Asari Dynasty no. Hospital na Asari Dynasty ni say a government hospital.
Pia.
Incident say ya ba hospital. Incident na nebo ne yedin sa. Indru be no say. Papa no we the loan bi na onye scan kotua. Into wo yare na ba wona oku scan. E an advantage. Wa fa da kotua ni loan ka. Why?
Mangase
receipt to crap pot.
Mangase hospital na Jimmy scan. Me say me kwa me chata card ko.
Yo.
Na kame fa onto abobo yam.
Anaka no. Mo kwa ahia ne ya cha.
The whole day.
Oni pay well you so say me unconscious me da fa ko.
Yo 055166.
Oh unconscious
ka why you?
Hello, Mpato Binsira manfo.
Oh, na bibia boko de Binsira.
Nyame adom boko.
Me na okoma ni.
Okurafe maya no.
Ade cheche wadwo wasemi o.
Me fato mpese mbisa the boys. Abe onya corona no quarantine na. Den. Oh, we da no ye din dodo.
Yo.
Nipa bonu sam.
Binsira me da say. Mama mfafo.
Oka corona no kame na nkume. Kame na corona na nkume.
Na do corona.
No so oyon conscious dia onidi.
Audition be ni.
Mama mi hu adwuru mi.
Oh, went me. Audition be ni.
Mama mi hu adwuru mi.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, yare ne ba sa offer na onfa no jina so. Ni yare ne ba ne sa. It be to credit grandma no jina so. Okasa.
Oh yeah, you know to credit.
To credit good phone.
Now to some fan friend one.
Who you cron for sir?
Okay. 0551667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 0551667755. What is your name?
Hello.
Me ba to one am ne ka say.
Me ba cha na budu me ka say fi ebru.
Ebru boko di ama.
Na me adumo.
Me ba cho okoma ni.
Okuyape maya no.
Me da se chewadwo won.
Me ba cha da boy we osisi fo ase. Da boy ba cha we get si da bia wa samunye dada na ayesa.
Mabesiso me yabon sama na mabesiso eno efa ho ma samunye da mabusuane no.
Yo.
Anaka jamisa.
Me da say audition 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270191971. Jaquam Taylor na bibia boko de.
Yanadumo.
Champion Taylor Samre wo do ewo timade mu obi biara. Chewadwo asemi o.
Oh, director, o ma mtia kakao. Nyamishira.
And your food ya pan ni e piano nyamishira. Chewadwo asemi o.
Hey, madam for the boy. Me po asemo. Nti da bia won dia sampa. Yentimi nkan bi mawo. Mpa ne chew. Faga ne scan man wasiti no why. Me pa chew.
Men suma o se be ka bi mame.
Me da say eja come Taylor.
Me fie no be die wa me da store ni mu ho.
Nti me hu mfa me kakra na watching.
O yare for no. Yade ne kwa ke betimi asam ye kume.
Yo. Audition be ni.
Audition smile and Kotafi Ojonya.
Na bibia boko ho de.
Bibia boko nyame adom.
Me pa cho kuma ni.
Efipe.
Chewajo Wasemio.
The boy. Why are there pa obi adi won adwuma
mo why unu nyansa kodwo nyanyina unu nyansa fo
nanti a nanti ko ni ba no
aha
so si yen to ka ahin no de be
mo yo ka wu ye kura nka bebo ka kura bro say 80 million no kodwo nyanyami ajanyami shiraw
0554667755 0554667755 odi chebe ni Adishebe.
Hello.
Me ba cho wan am ne ka say.
Ba cho e fe pa che ni so
manya boko de minwa.
Boko so wanya biem pa ti se onyanko pon from my nam ewie
me da se mono mo de mintimi si me from da me da mo pop me da ma se pop okuma ni e.
Yo me pa che ni so na e kan se.
Okuapemanya no. Me da se chewajo Wasemio. Mate.
No se mo no. Uko kan so ado be so twa onpo a. Wele ni wa nye ni yo so uri ama me no. Nti onya ko ofa wa no sika ma no.
Bajo, who evidence ya just me wi ade.
Mate me da
who evidence.
Sa ubo ka wo hospital.
0555
Papa sam na me kan yo.
6677550277. Na say see the boy.
Papa no see me your phone. Or evidence.
Where your phone?
Adi shebe ni. Want me anya.
Dampare tio.
Adi shebe ni.
Your crown for dampare tie ba becho.
Meba. Wozo kasafi.
Manya pomuno.
Na bibi aboko okpon no de.
Na Roma lepo.
Me da say. Okuma ni e.
Etiape manya no pe.
Adi sheche wadwe Wasemio.
On say ya fi mu aye we. Eya na e kan you know one ko ja wo ti yanko yeni na mo obradi e do ekiri o yeni na mo why na mi di sam mo amugu studio ho eni omo amu ti e nyina se why na be kwa ko ye wo no di mi sa be kwa ko bodu
mo
na ko wu ya o be tran be kan se ya bod ya won dan nya mi afi first one won dan nya afi second won pa papa na otini
mo
na onyo ewu a onche mu tu no mo na
oma mi bi
aton
yes
let see what bolo you rest your case ampa
yes won kwan wa de ya ka se be 80 million so
mi hu yen na sanka metumi ama
won kwan wa de
mo me me ya se o ya madam fo na wubu
adi shebe ni
wubu me
ya France na Kasafi
Bacho ya frame Isaac ni Kasafi
so manya boko de Isaac
Bacho an
me bacho kuma ni
Bacho be ju so ama me
o ba ka se okuapemanya no chewajo Wasemio
Bacho asenwe de aka mami no fimu kra adaka nkwan ya Mami na nzana sebi anko
asu fimu akada kaya
enti na men fimu no
70 na 1 fimu
enya wunti na mumu amokasa sana ase papa yi ma na se mi sorry ade a me kan ni se
matemeda se e wo so menya
nyamisha yare
na fe ma sorry me
yare
se wetumi apa
nyamisha etua light bill nyamisha etua ayi water bill
na chase oba honom no nde obeda ho nyina wo de bele no
se nyame adom nyame dom nti no yare me ba mele no
adi shebe ide oh papa bi oyima na bibi aboko de akuma ni e
Okuapemanya
me ba choche wadwe Wasemio
baso me ka je sister ni se wo kwan wa di na how ni se papa na wi ani sika so wula aka sister ni beja nti no na nyame asebo mu se ote ase oba sika ni papa wa nko papa la sanya na nko ni obetwa na sika ni ba ko ni because I said I know that
Meso me da se
oma eba se me wi de me wi ade ye
we wi ade se wo kra
na force irrigation
ade obi si we wi bibi
na wakoya ya twi receipt abana ya tally endu 2000
na me se ka na ye
ba asisika ni nyina receipt provided in no endo 2000
and your clinic na de man no and taxi there the clinic in hospital
and taxi there no moko how many days and taxi ni minimum
minimum taxi drivers no
etu fa bia
ne ha me ni se me koda hospital
oya rock cross man fa uber na hospital me the basket na ba he me the basket na ba he hospital koda me the basket na ba he
ni apese oyentinti na wan bo me busia ni bia ama na
ma me family last call ya from say na Agasafi
Agasafi so many never am say back
oh mini abonita o
yo can't do that. No, about Barnacle. Once a receipt out the buy. Receipt to 20 million. And also to watch 20 million.
That's 80 million.
Oh, 80 million. 6 number. Who said, why, Papa? The way Papa said the bonnet, after 1 year,
me and Madame Fubre.
I don't know how to go hospital.
Me and Madame Fubre.
I don't know how to go
enti na wan bo me busi en
Ghana ha
Ghana hu sika
Ghana ha taxi be na wa fa ya ma receipt da Ghana ha
ma me fa frafo ni na sia me fa frafo ni
Ghana ha taxi be my lord Ghana ha taxi be na wa fa ya ma receipt da
me pa twa bi ni o
me so me koda hospital yes ye me twice
hospital no one anti anko hospital no one anti anko
2 times
me le kura she magi first one man ka kredi anka ho
ene aye nana ampem
dako
ne birthday ohene ba hene ene na woda in fact nana wa bomodin de akwapem din adu map no ba bi
boga ha life e ba no omo de ba e
ba nwum to pa nana te yanim say akwapem fo
boga ha life
and will always be proud of you ohene
Jaskin sebebo
training no
Jaskin Reginus no
yes
I go see that our first picture na nothing fifi and okra guitar one of the finest lead guitarists in Ghana
okay
bo na joy that bo guitar na on fa kapu ni ade bi na bo se na she guitar no kon ho no sa adwuma na kapu ni be ordinary sa na eye ono ya sapon onwum bi what say wa bo din na joy that kon ni wo yi niam na gufam one ball rounds, ball reading, ball lead. Nana.
Enya izo. Enti no hopefully no yenyina call Regionals Hotel on the 16th. On the 16th.
My lord.
And then Nana ayawa woda ne de.
My lord.
As I see yen this way at the mouth. But ye ha na me di dwuma de ni nyina besi Nana da me.
Finance. One say Regionals na ye ka ho asem sisi an. Ticket ni bi wa ha. Enti say utumi
DF omo person mutobi no. Amomra.
Ubetumi ara say. Ube humi a pacha on sabe kan regular no. 50.
Okay.
VIP 100 Ghana cedis. Enye fedi agro. 16th no.
We say ni akrofo ani abere pa ekume ejina so
ane. Me ho pre mi
se ho beto
me.
Nom dominion ni eyisa.
Combination betimi. Enye easy. Na afen so finance area regional star na e kai etie for say Equiapem Icons Football Club.
Ewo ho.
And so ewo ho adano na yera kebi omo kanse ni aye be develop talent ewe kropon ha.
That's right.
Enti we so abama yen se wo oba bema under 17 and under 14 wo hwe oba no hu se owo passion for football ye be say ye ton forms wa ha under 17 30 cedis and under 14 20 cedis.
Right.
Yes. Na afe ni ekwo Equiapem Mr and Miss Equiapem o performs ni bia seni ankrofo edi ya yesi ediom beko Dubai. Ene ni
amko.
Enti na no so forms ewa ha ubedu okuman ha se ya unsabe kebi na won seni akase okuman de ye kasa ye hwe ene ye kebi mu Equiapem ano bibia fo Equiapem na wo ba ha se odi weni chiemu a pacho benye bi ntino Reginest tickets ebi wa ha o performs for Equiapem Icons nso a ebi wa ha sa pepepe na Equiapem Mr and Miss Equiapem nso forms e wa ha sa
o ka me mada uroma ne mi ensa ne nyina na ye mfiri
all right Nana ampem dako aya tufo hene edema Equiapem Samri wawoda Jodako Nana Ampem Dako. Okay, I wish you want to make you an ampechna. Aya da foforo exactly 39 after 5. Yebeshia echna. Medamasi. He say hello the finest. I see you, bro. I like multimedia. Yako.
I mean, I could to bro. I don't know. They be hit no.
Wait, music just na pa to bro.
Oh, the music. I never hit no. Yeah, I never hit no.
General me when it taste for, but who say me who?
Oh, general or taste for music.
General me when it taste for.
Or taste for music.
Me that move ja. What there? That be me be you microphone nyom. That be what there? Who that be me what be? And then me be you microphone nyina nyom mo pa ofia. Me who obi anyom ope. General them.
You see, when you talk about Boga Highlight,
that's right.
It's a gin I buy. And when it comes to say Lidodu, any what do we call Nana George Dako, Thomas Frimpong, when this gin buy. Okay. Called Germany, queer recordings or ho, and me who those electric kicks from near there, and may budget too. When it comes to Nana George Dako, you might a man by even I could for Crano, Ushima originally Crano. Canada they not loyalty wo obi ye ndwom na obi timi man sa nwom no kra I think Lido na to ma
or not try na Lido to
on say ne Canada ne obi ko ye live ba kwa na kasa ne ade they had loyalty lot of songs who mpadu nwom bebre ho ma on say osekufu toy Ramblers no bi ho ma mpadu toy bra te no ba African Brothers no say be ya another rendition of it no mo talk more in the art enye na the Biana when I come Eugene now we have family ways. I could go for there. Okay, I could go for a day sensation be by. Wow. Your man for African song na if I say to him say if you say about one tiasia I don't tiasia. Ghana for bebre akugu Germany Hamburg those Germany buy. They don't na ekoye no.
I don't know much tripping penis no bobet no wo ye full so.
Uza lumba muso ko na no so I'm the another Jane another abridged version of the Boga Highlight. Bodo Tiger Emma or Hineba Kisi or Framponsa and other people also moved to Bodo Tiger to record. I think Hanama for quite a point did some work with Bodo Tiger. Wow. You see what it is to say banana your dark nene or notable day be no dear. Or dokala you may come up. Okay. Nice high life song.
Menu mama person plan
good. And catch you don't come but I go to Brofo there. That is Jogdako. That made Jogdako. And it is made in Akropong. Your command for you. Or your hinana commandana. And today, so then I would not motion and Unyamatis. Maybe this I could Brofona.
And as it's so.
Now it's me a day nostalgic moment we bump and food.
Therefore, Canina.
What can you? Last time you Nana performing level 300. Okay. And then the last performance I mean who I mean who's performing you. Not suit, Nana suit.
Usually does that.
Yeah, suit to pana guitar is saying the cool
with white shirt, right?
Yeah, with white shirt. And then guitar to do one of born on me and Sapena. Maybe Casa me and 7 I'm going to chill and I said, Nana Meheni.
I mean, I would love to see your act, unfortunately, a lot of them are compete, and no one Papai. Senior Eddie Donko, Obi say Kofi and Johnson. There are a lot of singers who come from this rich area and only made decent. When I know that one, the lyrics so decent. Though a matured music, when the money be almost or doctors with Timunium and Samana, Aje Uyobia when near Fina would say near Masi. And I think. Aneme ya say yeti anye yi o ne we bi ho
ohine yo di
yeti anye yi ne say ye ba ye hu say na say apomdin ni sheda ni hosa anka brebia me kosra na ye ba ye kosra no na anka media mu nipa o say bre ni me bra ya man krofo ka we ye media me ginam na so ye bompa e
stay be
ishia no ono so asmo kan ya ene ahondin ni ho enon de fofi anto ata eno dware abamu ekoban enti ye bompa yesra na ho beto no na wotu na mo ba studio obra kwantu na hye everywhere bia ye bompa yese ahonde ne ba we na yakasi but in all no We wish him well. We wish him well.
Mo KB, the executive producer no ati so.
Mo KB abaso na KB ye Juma Papa.
Oh yeah, Juma Papa.
Say
na afa bi bisa ne so mama ni nsu anu ma na because wa gba Juma 58 ebesi 1 there.
Otimi bisa
otimi bo so be tutu.
We dey be ko break be say 3 wo.
Otimi bisa question. Oh yeah na me monitor. Otimi na obisa question bi no yes.
Ya sam no no we bisa no.
Na Abraham man so ya ade from 8 to 1 no. Mami.
No onyi the radio fi o. Oh no credit nyame anyi.
No say me to ade man but me kwa
onyi the radio fi o. Anytime be open information no. Wo fa bi na mama. Eno ko ade.
Madam Asena.
Yes we da say. Yo yes we da say. Mami mo eye Samre akoti brofo na me fa sorry Jumadi ne so. Alive multimedia eje kwado. Me chiao. Da bia obi a fifi de so be fa form so ni bi no bobo ne ba boy no.
Oreku second one no.
Okay.
Ono so mefa bi ama no.
Sure.
Na Methodist for bi ni mbo no. Yes, me ne nyina be kan Methodist for ni mbo no.
Methodist for no ye be sponsor ni pattern.
Okay. So over for 9.
Na be ara over for 3. Una ye penny. 21 we can say me for 9 there say me for 7. Na wa for.
We na do that ko ji birthday mi chia ma me comment so.
I was ya me no wedding crave ko.